Hi guys, today I will show you how can you use COUNTIF formula in Excel. COUNTIF formula can be used for counting number of items in a range or array with an specific criteria. So for example, I will use customer and city database, and in second example I will use student and total marks date for numerical criteria. So in first example, I want to calculate total number of person per city. So I will use COUNTIF formula for each city. So I will write here count if in select the range. First parameter of function is range. Then I will select all the city range and comma and select the criteria, and I will select the T for cell and bracket close and press. And for I will use for next cities. So I will lock the formula range. Press the function F4. So this will be locked range and drag it down. So by counting formula I have calculated person per city, number of person per city. So let's go to second example. Here is list of student and their marks. I want to know how many students are passed in exam. So I will make a criteria. If the mark is equal or greater to 33, then student will be passed. Then I will put here formula equal count if and select a range of mark and press comma and make a criteria or select a criteria equal. I will put here criteria greater or equal 33. So this is calculating how many students are passed. So by this way you can use a numerical criteria. Thank you guys.